Hello, you guys. So now in this video, we're going to be talking about the if-else statement. In the previous videos, we have talked about the if statement and solved some examples related to the if statement. But in this case, we have two statements. One is the if statement and another is the else statement. Okay. So if-else statement is used when if statement is false, then the else statement will be executed. So there are two statements like this. If and then else. Okay, if the condition of the if statement is not true, then it's gonna execute the else statement definitely. And there's no specific condition for the else statement because they are both working like together. Like if the condition is true, it's gonna execute the statement within the if, and then if it's not true, then it's obviously going to execute this. Okay, there's no certain condition specified for the else. It's just how it works if the if one is not true. Okay, then we have syntax 2, like if condition. If the condition is true, do this. It's going to ignore the else part and it's going to move on to the next statement. But if the condition is not true, it's going to ignore this part. It's going to ignore this statement, the do this statement, and then it's going to move on to the else statement, and whatever is inside the else statement, it's going to execute that. Okay, so these are the different syntax that you can see. It's pretty simple. Like here we have the if condition. If the condition is true, this part is going to be executed. Do this, do this. These are different statements that you can give between these two curly brackets. And if the condition is not true, then it's definitely gonna execute the else statement. Okay, so this is how it works. How if else statement works. Okay, if condition returns true, then if block will be executed. Okay, if the condition returns false, then else block will be executed. Okay, and let's look at this example. Void main marks equals to 80. This is the previous example as we have discussed, but let's have some clarity about it by using this if else statement. Okay, if marks is greater than equal to 50, you are pass. If else, if it's not greater than equal to 50, if it's the condition is false, then you are fail. So this is how it works. Let's just create this program and let's just see. I'm just gonna remove this. I'm gonna write if okay, int marks equals to 80. Okay, so I'm gonna put a terminator and I'm gonna set a condition. If marks is greater than equal to 50, then you can say you are pass. Printf pass. Okay, I'm gonna put the okay, you are pass. Now you can write another condition. If okay, we're doing if else, so else you're gonna put the curly brackets, and between this you're gonna put printf you are fail. Okay, so this is how it's gonna work. Now as you can see right over here, this condition is true for this if, so it's gonna give us the output if. We're running this. Look, it's giving us the output pass because the condition is true. Okay, if the if condition is true, the else is going to be ignored. If this condition is not true, this portion is going to be ignored and this is going to be executed. Okay, let's change this value to 40. Now it's gonna give us fail. Look, it's getting us, and it's giving us the fail option because our if condition is not true.